Alright, let's get into this. This is for yesterday, 7th, be Wednesday. No trade. The ideal trade that I wanted was honestly, it would have been right off market open. But that ended up not happening, but it is all good. It would have ideally been literally as simple as like this right here. Literally that simple. This was a trade that I wanted, but I couldn't take it because it was literally 6 minutes into open, but it did exactly what I was trying to, or what I want to do. These were the literal obvious draws on liquidity. I mean, we had equal highs, freaking just obvious strong draws on liquidity, bro. Like obvious. So yeah, that's kind of what I was seeing today. And I'm not gonna get too much into it because I'm recording this about 20 minutes before open. So I don't really want to focus on it right now. But we had this insane bullish SMT. Oh yeah, and I didn't actually take a trade, by the way. But crazy bullish SMT. End up completing it, getting to these highs. It was honestly a little bit of a weird day, man, because literally one index was straight bullish, and then another one was it was bullish as well, but it was just like, was not sure what it was trying to do for real. I mean, like, look at this. So yeah, it was kind of crazy, but yeah, so that's kind of how that went. I didn't take a trade. I could have right here. Strat kind of presented itself, and I usually like to take anything if strat does present itself. Would have entered on this candle. A stop loss probably would have been like right under these lows, so probably like I usually give it a little room too, like under the lows, and I think it would have played out. I'm not for sure because of this wick of the candle here. It could have stopped me out. It could have not, you know. I don't know, honestly. But I usually put it like I don't put it right, you know what I mean? Like I put it like that, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm sure people have noticed that. But yeah, and I literally would have just been targeting these highs, and yeah, that would have also been trying to complete the SMT as well. So like first take profit probably would have been here, probably would have moved to break even after breaking past like these like triple top highs in a way, if that makes sense. Probably break even here or something like that, or once we break past these again, so like here in this area, I would have moved stops, break even. Yeah, and literally would have just been simple as targeting those. But yeah, that would have been the ideal trade. But honestly, just the way market was moving, like honestly, just the way ES was moving, I just didn't really like it very much, just because I honestly wasn't sure what we were trying to do. Like I knew we wanted to complete that SMT, but like literally NQ was looking bullish and ES was literally doing this. Like this market structure just looks completely bearish, you know what I mean? And then it just, you know, like consolidation bearish, basically, if that makes sense in a way. And then we have this huge candle right here. So it's like I didn't even really feel comfortable risking capital on it, if that makes sense. So yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys in another. Peace.